Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming requirements and preparing. Make sure Ryujinx is closed. You don't want file locks. Once done, back up the config, saves, and prod. Keys to a safe folder so you can restore if needed. Then fetch the matching update build for your current release because mismatched binaries cause crashes. You'll extract the update to a temporary folder, verify the files match expected names, and get ready to replace the executable while keeping user data intact. You now perform the installation carefully. First, extract the update and compare file lists. Look for changed DLLs or runtime binaries. Then close any background Ryujinx processes and move the new executable into the app folder, but do not delete user data. Merge instead. Next, update system dependencies. Install the required NET runtime or libraries and update GPU drivers for Vulkan support. Finally, launch Ryujinx once to let it migrate configs and watch the log for startup warnings. You finish by validating the update. Launch Ryujinx and inspect the log window. Make sure it initializes modules, detects your controllers, and scans games. If a game fails to load, stop and restore the backed up user folder, then retry. Corruption is rare but possible. If problems persist, enable verbose logging and capture the exact error messages. This helps you pinpoint missing dependencies or incompatible mods. Once everything runs, reapply any trusted mods and enjoy updated compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.